Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So in today's vlog or video, I don't even know if this is necessarily a vlog, but today I just wanted to show you guys the process of attempting a new hairstyle on my microlocs. I want to be attempting some Fulani inspired braids. This is not a tutorial, this is just a follow me along as I get my hair braided type of video. So not a tutorial, just watch me get my hair done basically. I went to the beauty supply store yesterday and I got some beads to go at the ends of my braids. I got like 5 packs in total. 2 of them are these like brown, tan, and like kind of like a light brown colored bead. These are just clear and they have gold details. And then I got these which have the same clear beads with gold detailing and gold beads. My hair does look very elongated right now, but I do want to switch it up and try some Fulani braids. If I can pull this off, that's gonna change the whole microloc game. You hear me? I'm just excited to see how this is gonna turn out. I'm very hopeful. I feel like it's gonna be really cute. Here is a quick overview of everything that I have for this hairstyle. So I have all of my beads, of course, like I just showed you guys, and then I have some black rubber bands. Then I have some water in a spray bottle. I'm pretty sure I'm probably gonna need like some kind of crochet tool or something to put these beads in my head. I'm not sure yet, but you guys will see during the process of doing my hair what we end up using. finally finished my braids. It came out better than I even envisioned. I feel like this really just demonstrates how versatile microlocs are. So I don't think that I'm going to keep my hair down like this. I think I'm going to pull it up some so that you can see the cornrows on each side of my head. So what I'm going to do is take either a rubber band or just this really small hair tie, and I'm just going to tie up the sides here, leaving this one down because y'all know I love to leave like little bangs. So we actually ended up splitting 2 of these braids on either side of my head into 4. So 5 packs of beads was actually enough. I have a few beads left. That ended up working out well. At first I thought that we weren't gonna have enough beads, but 5 packs of beads ended up being enough. And I still have some left over. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of this style. As you can see back here, this little baby lock wasn't long enough to braid, so that's just kind of hanging, but it's covered up anyway, so it's cool. Let me know if you guys would like me to make this a series where I try styles that loose naturals are normally able to do on microlocs. I feel like that would be an interesting series, so let me know if you guys would be interested in that, and if so, then feel free to DM me some pictures of some hairstyles that you would like for me to attempt on my microlocs that loose naturals normally rock. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. I'll talk to y'all in my next video, and I'm out.
If you're doing what everyone else is doing, you're doing it wrong.
One of the best to ever do it.